Hello, hello. My name's Alex, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a post-apocalyptic style baseball cap. This hat is actually really common. You should be able to find it anywhere. I picked it up at a local thrift store. It was almost brand new, so cool for me. I'll have to distress it quite a bit to get it where I want it in this video, but the brand is Outdoor Cap. Yeah, you should be able to find that anywhere. Walmart, Meijer, I don't know. They probably sell it everywhere. Anywho, let me show you these examples that I made. So this one, I used a hat that my buddy Asher actually gave me. He said he found it by the creek when he's out kayaking, so that's pretty cool. It's got some history to it. So if you lost this hat, I made it into something cooler. Sorry. Anyway, I put a pair of safety glasses on the bill here. They were a pair I got from work. They were all scratched up. I couldn't really use them anymore, so if the lady from the tool crib's watching this, I promise I didn't steal. And then I riveted a belt to the safety glasses and then all the way around the crown of the hat. I put more of the belt on the bill, distressed it. I used tea to actually stain the fabric of this. Interesting thing happened. I guess this is like water resistant fabric or something, because when I put the tea on there, it all ran down. So it kind of condensed in the bottom areas of the hat and made this really funky pattern. So it actually worked out a lot better. It made it look really dingy, like it was all sweaty or something. Gross. That's kind of what you want in a wasteland costume or apparel or anything like that. Then I went over the whole thing and dry brushed it with black acrylic paint, so that kind of finalized it, set it off. Oh, and then I also did a stencil on the back. And then I did a more conservative version, I suppose. I just did a basic design on the bill and did a very little bit of distressing. I didn't want to like overdo it because it's something I wanted to be able to wear, to work or out and about. I didn't want to go over the top. You got to be careful what you wear. Get some. I mean, hey, maybe you want to wear it out, but I'm in management. I got to be careful what I wear. Anyway, so we'll go ahead and get started. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to try to make this video a little shorter than the last one I did, because the last one was 29.5 minutes long, and very few people wanted to watch it all the way through according to the analytics. So I'm going to try to make this shorter, make it easier, more bite-sized for you guys. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so the tools I'm going to be using to distress this are a Dremel with a sanding head and then a basic pocket knife. Any type of knife will do. I'm using this one specifically because it is a little dull. I don't want to cut the fabric, I want to scrape it. So keep that in mind. Okay, so I got the hat distressed and painted the way I want it. The next thing I'm going to do is start attaching elements to the hat. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this leather belt here and attach it across the bill of the hat like that. And then I'm going to take this piece of fabric I cut out. It's like a vinyl fabric. I cut it into this oval shape and used a stencil to put a letter onto it. I'm going to attach that to the front of the hat right there. And then I also have this metal element that I'm going to try to incorporate on the bill or on the side of the hat as well. I'll go ahead and time-lapse that, and then I'll show you the finished product. Alright, I got the project done here. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. It's pretty simple. Distress it, paint it, attach your elements, and then you know, do some final detail work like these the final paint or stencil work. Yeah, if you choose to follow along with this project, yours will look a lot different than this, but once you find a design that works for you, just keep working on it. That's kind of what I did with this. I experimented a little bit, had some different stuff going on, and finally found a method or a design that worked, and I just kept doing it over and over and doing subtle variations on it. So once you find something you like, then just keep working at it. Alright, well, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and also I'm going to link my eBay page in the description if you want to support me as a YouTuber so I can continue making good content for you guys. Mention the video, shoot me a message on eBay, and I'll give you a discount on anything you want to buy on there. Alright, that's it. I'll see you in the next video.